I got my new magic brush that helps with hair growth and making it relax. You wanna know more? Keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my hobby on the internet. And here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay join the family. And I like to say thank you so much to my returning supporters. I love you guys, appreciate you guys so much. So today we decided we're going to be talking about these little breo. This is a hair massager with laser that aids you on hair growth. Let's talk about it, aging and hair thinning. As you pass 35 and above, everything started going south. So one of them is our hair. Some of them start growing slower or getting thinner, and this device is FDA approved and also has patent technology of needling, like fingers mimicking scalp massage, and this does have safety technology, so the laser only activates when you touch your skin. This is how the brush functions. For you to turn it on, you just press for 2 seconds. It's on in the massager, and double press for activate the light function. So one button, 2 modes, massage and laser therapy in one button. It's full waterproof. You can use in the shower or you can use after the shower with wet hair if you want. I personally like to use my sometime on pre-shampoo. I add like a little pre-shampoo scalp treatment, and then I just do the massage. So I filmed a little piece using the device on the shower and using them on pre-shampoo, my pre-wash. I'm going to play the little video for you guys. So this is my pre-wash routine. So I like to add this pre-wash oil that's super good. So I put the oil and I leave for 15 minutes. I already did my hair massage prior, and then I'm going to also do a quick little massage in the shower. I'm going to massage and leave on my scalp for 15 minutes before I go shower. Be right back. And this is the only one combining human life scalp massage plus laser therapy. Breo always prioritize FDA certification for health devices. The efficiency of this product is definitely guaranteed. How this works is this is a low-level laser therapy that targets the hair follicle directly without damaging the scalp. Laser penetrates deeper than red light therapy. Test on thin skin to see the difference. So dry-free, painless solution. This is lightweight and super easy for you to travel with. It's the laser that activates with the touch of the skin for your protection. So super easy to use, super hygienic, easy to clean. So I am loving this. It's like my little relaxing time. So we can use it 3 times a week. So I love this. And like I said to you guys, I use hair extensions, so throughout the years I use for over around 10 years or so. So you know, the hair does suffer a little bit. So this breomassager is really helping me out to get my hair back growing. So I'm looking forward to keep using, and then in the future I can give you guys an update how it's going. And you guys let me know in the comment below what is that you use for hair growth or hair thinning. So I love that this is like straight into your hair follicle and penetrate good. I'm going to insert a couple of before and after picture here from clinical proof after using this device on the long term. So here is the images. And don't forget to check out my discount code in the description of this video with the link for the device. The discount code is FitFashionista. So if you're looking for a device like that, I would definitely recommend you guys the drill. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys also are intrigued by this. It's the first device that I see with laser and massage at in one device. The two options. Like I told you guys, I love to do the massage pre-shampoo or throughout in the shower when I'm using my shampoo to massage my scalp and get all the follicle activated and circulation going on. I absolutely love breo. So you let me know that in the below what you guys thought about this beauty. And that link, if you guys want to check it out, it's going to be on the description of this video. And price for the technology too is unbelievable. Thanks so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you guys next video. Bye.